What's up, everybody? My name is Brian Shepard, and on this week's webisode of How to Ride BMX, we have a special guest. His name is Matt Beringer.
Dang, dude.
That's what washed up looks like. Start missing teeth and getting old and getting gray and not giving a shit about nothing.
If you don't know who Matt Beringer is, he's very well known in the BMX world for having the gnarliest backyard. I mean, who else has a water slide and a satellite dish that goes into a set of dirt jumps? Although Matt's backyard is super awesome, he tore it down because he moved. So I decided to take a trip out to Salt Lake City, Utah and check out his new house.
What's up, Matt? This shit's sick, man. You ready to ride? And I even have a garden.
Matt Beringer is the master of creating the most quirky things, but they turn out sick. I mean, he always makes the coolest stuff.
Didn't work.
Matt's a smart guy, and he likes to make a little extra income, so he rents out one of his rooms to BMXers, and my good friend Skylar Pingree landed that room. Matt's so used to having tons of people over all the time, crashing in his backyard and sleeping bags all over the place on his ramp, but he decided to mix it up and build a one-bedroom apartment in his backyard. That's where I'll be staying.
So this is where I'm going to be staying for the next couple days. It's called the Tiny House. It literally is a tiny house in Matt Beringer's backyard.
Here's a little tip if you ever get the chance to ride Matt Beringer's house. Ask him if he needs any help, water the dirt jumps, things like that. It's simple BMX etiquette and it goes a long way to the people who supply you with the fun. Now that we've helped out, let's ride.
god, I'm so done now. That just hurts. So not worth that.
What the f?
Right?
Matt?
What the shit?
It's a liar.
He's Cobra, he's the king of the snakes.
Scam artist.
Get Indian gift these days.
Is that how you pick your garden? Yeah. How to pick vegetables.
Not what counts, not what doesn't count, not what's ABD, not what's MBD, not what's TCU, not what's rodeo peanut, no nothing. No given. Get that thing out of my damn face.
My favorite thing about Matt is that he doesn't follow the rules to BMX. He makes his own.
Oh, how can it work?
Holy shit. Oh. Double hand grab. Rocket air. So that does not even make sense.
Higher.
There you go. Oh my God.
Holy shit.
No way. That was close.
I just hesitated too much, but I think I got that. Oh, oh man! Oh. Ah! Ah! Oh! Oh, damn! Ah!
Yeah! Yeah!
I mean, what even is that?
What do you call that shit?
I don't know, the
Freestyling.
angle pole dance. I guess.
Right
Pain in
on.
the ass, that's what it's called.
Mat. The magic mat is what that is.
That's a clip.
That's funny.
Either way, it's pretty much impossible to have a bad day hanging out with Matt. He's literally one of the funniest people I've ever met. And if you're watching this, Matt, thanks, dude, for always letting me come ride the ramps and have a good time. It's a blast. You rule, Matt. Thanks. Thank you guys for watching, and be sure to subscribe for more how to ride BMX.
Can do backwards pedal to foot jam to ETN.
Yeah,
But I can't do frontwards pedal and do.
we'll do ET something. Do ice pick with a backwards pedal ET in the middle of the ice pick.
Yeah, right.